Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 9th of August 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading signals and analysis from my side. Okay guys, as I have mentioned in my previous video that EUR USD is strong, and I have supplied the bullish signal in case of EUR USD today, and 111988 was the bullish entry. And 112254 was the target price, and guys, you can see the market almost went near to the target price. It clearly breaks the entry, and finally EUR USD has moved up. So I congratulate my all traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have collected a very good profit by trading EUR USD. Okay, a slow momentum is seen today on New Zealand USD. However, I have supplied the bearish trend from 064824, and you can see that the market is making the downward pattern and it's going down. So overall, if you have traded this one, then you must have collected a decent profit, because we have seen no volatility in the market on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. Another satisfied signal of the day that it clearly hit our target price. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 105822 and 105320 is the target price, and guys, you can see within the 2 hours the market has reached to the target price with no problems. And congratulations to the traders, because USD JPY was into the weaker zone, and we have seen that it has collected some bearish activity today. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF, the ranging pair of the day, but however it has shown us some momentum. So 097344 was the entry, and 09698888 was the target price. However, the market does not met the target price, but it went down up to 097112. So overall, if you have traded this zone, then you must have collected a profit. Now let's talk about EUR JPY. Bearish trend was supplied in case of EUR JPY from 118473, and you can see it has dropped from that level. And if you have traded this zone, like 50% of the signal, then you must 50 to 60% of the signal, then you must have collected up with the profit. At last, going to talk about the last signal of the day, that was AUG JPY with a bearish expectation from 72049. And 71244 is the target price, and guys, you can see that AUG JPY has made the bearish pattern with no problem. Okay guys, we have closed this week in a very good manner, and hopefully you people also have enjoyed trading with 200forexclips.com signals. And moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see that this the trading system is attached on the chart. This is called trade indicators. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it is getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see market is into the lower red boundary, and if you see that the market is gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. Moreover guys, when the candle closes above the middle dotted line, then it has a further chance to go up, and when it closes below like this, you can see this candle was closed below the blue dotted middle line, then we have seen the further downward trend. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. And moreover, the price monitor is there to help you. When it turns into red, it means times to sell. When it turns into green, it means that the time to buy. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.